Yeezys. Love them or hate them, you have to admit that ever since they stopped dropping, sneaker releases have been a little bit stale. But they have finally returned, at least for now. And they're dropping a lot of shoes on May 31st. And there's a number of them that I want to get my hands on. But the thing is, most if not all of these are dropping on the Adidas Confirmed app, which is a platform that I've never really been successful botting. But I have about 164 Adidas accounts that I bought last year, and Hayha, one of the bots that I used recently, added an Adidas Confirmed module, and Polar Chefs, my cook group, has a full guide on how to properly bot this website. Which means there is a solid chance that these releases actually go well. So let's get into it. Easy day 2023. Are you pending? No, actually quite the opposite of pending. Boom. Might as well count that. Here we go. Raffle goes live at 10. Would you guys wear this shoe? I can try them on right now. What are we thinking? Oh, nah, it goes hard with my fit. Fuck it, let me just start all of it. It's gonna be scuffed. Everyone's gonna try to enter at the same time. Okay, I got 7 entries already exist. Okay. We're good. I think we're in the money. I'm just happy that we got some entries. But I'm getting more submit entry success. Ooh, another one just came in. Should I jump into Hayha voice chat? I'm gonna do it for 2 seconds. Yo, what up, guys?
Where did you reply to? What the fuck
is that? Nova.
Dude, some guy's like writing a whole novel in there, bro. He's just like, I don't know, are they playing Type Racer or some shit? Guys, it's working now. Look, 26 submit entry success. We're in there. Let's go. I look like Kirito, no shot. I gotta do that same pose. Wait, which way do I turn? Yes, no? What am I doing, dude? Oh, dude, this is so cringe. Like, what if I copied this? Dude, I will cringe at myself before I even try this. Okay. Dude, I can't. This is too cringe for me. Wait. This is what happens when I'm on stream for too long. I just do the weirdest shit. As you could tell by now, we had a lot of time to kill. Not only was there so much time between drops, but the time in which we actually got the results for our raffle entries varied between 20 minutes to 20 hours. So Adidas was really dragging out the releases to make sure that the drops lasted the entire day. Oh, okay, Onyx Slide's up next. Alright, what do we got going on? Submit entry success, 55. Okay, not bad. Guys, I hit okay, not a ton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hit 5 blue slides. I am so happy right now. Like, actually, I hit 2 more. Let's go. 15 checkouts so far. It's every time you bots that are good because I always see you using new bot programs, or I think they're sponsors. I only use bots that I would use like myself. It would be so stupid of me to like live stream a bot that would not give me any checkouts. I would basically be showcasing, oh hey, look how shit this bot is. I didn't get any checkouts, right? It just wouldn't make sense for me to use a bot just because it's sponsored. Oh, whoa. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $70 charges on Stripe. 11, 12 on Slash. So I have 12 blue slides so far. Yes! I got one! I got a foam! Let's go. Checking my charges again, please. Oh yes, got another one. Got another foam runner. Okay, I'm checking my charges again, see if I got any more foams. Yup, got another one. Ooh, just got another foam runner. We are winning today. We are winning. Whenever it comes to people who hate on botters, honestly, I get it. But it is just a matter of perspective. Here's the way I put it. So if you line up for a pair of sneakers and you get there, you camp out, you get there the night before for 24 hours. And then there's another guy that shows up 10 minutes late to the release. Who deserves the sneaker more? The guy who camped out or the guy who showed up late? Obvious answer is the guy who camped out. So what does quote unquote camping out look like in the online release world? Basically studying websites studying how to cop optimally from each website, studying anti-bots, studying bots themselves. Like, you have to do all this research and preparation. Not only that, but you also have to take a risk, because botting isn't cheap for most people. I would say like a moderate botting setup can be anywhere between $300 to $500 a month. You have to do all this homework just for a chance, a small chance, at copying. Now, who deserves to cop more? Someone who dedicates like 5 hours a day studying. Okay, it's probably not going to be. Maybe when you're first starting out botting, you might actually have to do that much studying. So someone who actually studies how every single one of these websites works to cop as optimally as possible, or somebody who hasn't done any research and just shows up like on the day of release. Well, obviously the person who works harder, right? The person who spends more time like learning how to actually cop. It's pretty simple. Botting is just for resellers who are too lazy to get a real job. You can bot and have a job at the same time. People do it all the time. That's actually the norm. Every time someone's like, oh bro, I want to quit my job to be like a full-time botter, I'm always like, nah, that's silly. I think you should just do both. You should bot and you should have a full-time job at the same time. It's definitely not a replacement. It's just a learning curve that's a little bit hard. After you get past that first learning curve, there's not too much of a time commitment. How much you pay for the program? Hey, Dancer, if you want to get into botting, you should check out the link in the description. If you want to get into it the right way without losing like a lot of money by buying a bunch of shit that you don't need, the first link in the description, check that out. We'll get you sorted. I know you came in here with a lot of hostility, but I treat everyone with love. And I want to make sure people get into botting the right way rather than having people like lose a ton of money, because it happens, you know? It makes it harder for normal people to get shoes. The thing is, botters are also normal people. There's nothing stopping you from botting. Right now, a lot of people that are manual, they just see it like this: manual versus botters. Botters are the enemy. When in reality, we're all on the same team. We're all trying to do the same shit. We're all just trying to buy shoes, regardless of what you're going to end up doing. If you want to resell it, if you want to gift it, if you want to keep it for personal, you want to collect, we're all doing the same shit. The only thing that matters, literally the only thing that matters, is how good you are and how knowledgeable you are at buying shoes for retail price on these different websites. Whoa. I also just got another Onyx. What the f? Please me. First of all, bears, you called me Noza. Who the f is that? Please me with a size 14 and I'll buy you a bunny? Please you with a size 14? Do you know how wrong that sounds, bro? Yes, me. Yes! I got an Onyx Slide. I got an Onyx Slide. Oh, yes! I copped on my phone. Oh, just got another one. Let's go. Another Onyx Slide. Ah, shit. No, I actually can't. I can't anymore. My balance now on Stripe, $60. So that means the only thing that I can work with is Slash, which is not working very well. That about wraps it up. If you were here since the beginning, I fucking love you, man. I don't want to think anymore. Okay, bye. Okay, so these are the results for the first day of the return of Yeezys. The only thing I'm not 100% sure about are the Onyx 350 checkouts. I might have a bit more or a bit less. I didn't properly tally that. Fortunately, my Stripe balance ran out, which accounted for the vast majority of my working entries, so I stopped prematurely, but I really should have swapped out some credit cards instead, but that's what I did for the next day. Before more Yeezys drop, we do have some Jordan 1s dropping first, so might as well go for that first. Why not? Because I ran out of money, this is how much I missed out on. 7 Onyx Slides, payment declined, and then I also got payment declined on 1 foam runner. You hit 66 pairs of slides? Is it like your friend running for you, or? Okay, whoa. I got 2. Bro, I am back. Oh, so many people, and you got the dub on the Pirate Black. Wait, I got 4. I didn't realize. Alright, we ready. Okay. We're gonna do this. Entry success, going smooth as fuck. Error submitting, hella error submitting. Never mind, not going smooth. Oh, they now only have size 4 to 7? What the fuck? No way. That explains it. That explains why I'm getting no matching sizes. How can sizes disappear when they haven't even given out winners yet? Should I enter for the smaller sizes? Let me look at these prices again. Okay, I'm only allocating a few amount. I'm gonna keep the other tasks just as they are in case sizes pop back up. If I give you F&F in an NYC in-store reselling group, would you come outside to touch? No, because I don't go outside, period. I don't find it worth the hassle. Why run around New York City when I could just chill here? Here's the beauty with botting. With botting and like just doing everything online, you can literally do this while you are working a job. If you're out and about in New York City, I mean, if you have like some work from home job that doesn't involve too much and you can like literally just work from your phone, then maybe you'd be able to do it while having a job. Otherwise, you can't do that. If having a job is more lucrative than looping in store is not worth it. With botting, you can bot and have a job at the same time. I don't feel like running back and forth between stores and shit. I want to sit here and press buttons, bro. I got one. Let's, ooh, just got another one. Oh, entry lost? Oh, wait, they actually gave out L's. Okay. Oh, shit, bro. The sizes I got are so good. Size 13, 6.5, 6.5, 12, 7, 9, 8, 5, 5. Those are the sizes I got. So the next drop was supposed to be foam runners, but I was struggling to get submissions in, and as a result, I just didn't cop any. The final shoe that I was planning to go for were the Yeezy 500s, but I literally just forgot about it. But it's fine, I don't care that much. So here are my Yeezy day results. Not the best, but not bad considering it's my first time properly botting this website. So here are a few of the orders that came in from about 2 of the 8 or so addresses that I used throughout this release. Wish I got at least one Pirate Black in, but it is what it is. Starting off with the slides, for some reason this reminds me of Play-Doh or Legos. I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. For the Onyx 350s, there was so much stock of these, but this colorway moves quickly in stores. One of the bulk buyers that I used to deal with was always looking to buy this shoe. These MX foams though, I love these MX colorways. And this one is definitely one of my favorites. So glad that I managed to get 5. Here's one of the Jordan 1s that I copped. Box is nice, shoe is actually super nice, but I just can't get with the Ronald McDonald colorway. I'm sorry, just my personal opinion. Can't get this clown out of my head whenever I look at a red and yellow shoe. Overall, drop was pretty successful. There's rumors of more Yeezys coming out, and when that time comes, I'll be live streaming and I will be even more prepared. See you there.